Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning C function. If you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. In this video we are going to learn about the function call in a C. Let's get started with the video. How to call a C functions in a program. There are two ways to call a function in a program. First one is a call by value and second one is a call by reference. In this video we are going to see the first type, call by value. A call by value. In a call by value method, the value of the variable is passed to the function as parameter. The value of the actual parameter cannot be modified by formal parameter. Different memory is allocated for both actual and formal parameters because value of an actual parameter is copied to the formal parameter. Actual parameter means this is the argument which is used in the function call, and formal parameter means this is the argument which is used in a function definition. Now we will see a program. First we declared a preprocessor command, then we are going to declare here function. Our function is a void swap, then argument is a int a comma int b. Then we are calling a main function, int main. We are open a curly bracket here. Then we declared the variables, integer type variable m and n, where m is equal to 22 and n is declared as a 44. Then we are calling our swap function by using call by value. Before that we are given here statement, printf statement. Inside that we are written values before swap. M is equal to %d and n is equal to %d comma m comma n. We are writing a program for the swap the numbers. So in a printf statement here it will print the value for m is a 22 because we already declared there to m is equal to 22, and here it will print n is equal to 44 because we already declared there 44. Then we are calling here swap function. Inside argument is m comma n. Then we closed here bracket. By closing a bracket we ended there our main function. Then now our function will come. Now we open a curly bracket. Inside that we declare the variable tmp, integer type variable. This is our statement block of a function, and printf statement is a value after swap. Here after swapping the values for m and n will be printing. Our actual parameters are m and n, and formal parameters are a and b. So value of the actual parameter will be assigned to the value to the formal parameters. How the program will work here we will see, and after working what will get an output. We will get an output values before swap m and n is a m is a 22 and for n is a 42, and values after swap m is equal to 44 and n is equal to 22. By using a swap function we got an values after swap. We will see how we got an values. In this program the values of the variables m and n are passed to the function swaps. These values are copied to the formal parameters a and b in a swap function. So inside a swap function a is equal to 22 and b is equal to 44 here, because we declared m is equal to 22 and n is equal to 44. So the values are assigned to the variable a and b here inside a swap function. Then we declared a tmp is equal to a. So tmp is equal to 22 as we got now. Then a is equal to b, that is a is equal to 44 because we we got B value as a 44. So A is equal to 44 now. We got A is equal to 44 now. Then B is equal to 10. That is B is 22 because we got TMP is equal to 22. So B is equal to 22 now and A is equal to 44 now. So we got an output is value before swap M is equal to 22 and N is equal to 44, and values after swap M is equal to 44 and N is equal to 22. This is how the call by value programs work for a swap the numbers. Thank you for watching the video.